Hey everybody, welcome to 2656 Donner Trail in Riverbank, California. We are in the beautiful community of Crossroads, right next to amazing parks, great shopping, and Costco is about to move in right around the corner.
Come on inside, we'll show you around.
This beautiful home has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,465 square feet.
This family room features this beautiful custom bar where we've got an ice maker, a beverage fridge, and room for your coffee bar.
The primary bathroom has a shower, dual sinks, a soaking tub, and a his and hers walk-in closet. There are 2 downstairs bedrooms with walk-in closets and a full downstairs bathroom. The backyard has a covered patio with fans, a gorgeous Pebble Tech pool with a removable fence, and room for entertainment.
Thanks for joining us. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Emily Parker with the Parker Group at RE/MAX Executive. If you'd like any more information or to schedule a private showing, please contact us today.